So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen, in this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. This is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet 3 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is, the width is 24 feet in meter 7.31 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. In the front we have a door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, TV unit on the front wall, and after that we'll go inside. So we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and a dining counter with 3 chairs and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose. If you go on the left side, so we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, study table with chair, and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And after that we'll go inside. So on the left side we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and study table with chair, and a large size window for ventilation light purpose. And on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet, and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.